In this lecture, we'll create and set up our Python project. To do that, go to your IDE, click on New Project, give the project a name, call it OpenAI API Demo. Make sure you have selected the right Python version that you have installed on your machine. Click on Create. Once the project is created, close the main.py, go to PyCharm menu, click on Settings, search for Interpreter, go to the Python interpreter. On the right side, you see all the modules that you already have for your project. Click on the plus button and search for OpenAI. Select OpenAI. It says the official Python library for OpenAI API, and the version as of December 2023 is 1.3.7. Click on Install Package. That will install the OpenAI API library, and we can start using the classes inside that package to connect to OpenAI from within our Python programs. Once the installation completes, close it, say OK, and we are all set.